2017 can be argued as the year of the trends, from stretched-out 18:9 displays to dual-camera implementations to facial recognition security, all adopted by many of the flagships released this year. And you know what else they adopted? This crazy idea of ultra-premium pricing around the neighborhood of $1,000. However, there's a new phone that adopts all of these newfound qualities, and then some, but without the $1,000 price tag. Enter the OnePlus 5T, the latest high-end smartphone from the Chinese company. At first glance, it could be perceived as a minuscule update, coming only a few short months after the company's previous flagship, the OnePlus 5. But don't be fooled, because if you look at the larger picture, it might astound you to know how the OnePlus 5T stacks up against the giants in the flagship space. In the box: dash power adapter, dash Type-C cable, silicone protective case, OnePlus decals, safety information, user's guide, camera. OnePlus is no stranger when it comes to dual-camera implementations, having already established that with the OnePlus 5 from not too long ago. This time, however, they've changed one thing: the secondary camera, which is now a 20MP Sony IMX376K sensor with an f/1.7 aperture. It's not a telephoto unlike what's found with the OnePlus 5, but rather, it activates for low-light shots and utilizes this intelligent pixel technology that combines the sensor's individual pixels into groups of 4 and merges their data. The whole thing smells a lot like HTC's ultra-pixel concept, the main intent being to give the 5T a boost when taking low-light shots. Meanwhile, the primary camera is still based on the same 16MP Sony IMX398 sensor, with an aperture of f/1.7. Naturally, the dual-camera system is also there for portrait shots, wherein subjects are isolated and the background is blurred out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty about the camera's performance, we'll quickly graze through the camera interface. It's an intuitive interface that allows us to quickly switch between its modes by swiping to the left. For the most part, it's fashioned together to appease both novice users and enthusiasts, evident in the Pro mode that dishes up features like a histogram, level gauge, and the ability to shoot in RAW. Image quality. Having been spoiled by the splendid performance of the Google Pixel 2 XL's camera, we'd say that the quality here with the OnePlus 5T is fine at best, but definitely not something we'd classify as class-leading. Most situations are handled well by the OnePlus 5T's camera, producing sufficient details and slightly warmer toned colors, just as long as lighting is abundant. All told, its performance mirrors to what we saw previously in the OnePlus 5. It's good, but not great. When photos are snapped under low light, they tend to exhibit a grainy tone and softer details, meaning that the secondary camera made specifically for such situations may not be as great as OnePlus wants us to believe. Using the dual LED flash to combat those deficiencies tends to produce unwanted, unnatural colors, like the same greenish hues found with the OnePlus 5's performance. As for the front-facing camera for selfies, it's capable of producing nice shots, though the best results are found with natural lighting. When the lighting is plentiful, details come out extremely sharp, but indoors or shots taken under artificial lighting, shots tend to become softer in tone.